A tool that can detect fentanyl in a drug will soon be legal in Kansas.
Today, Governor Laura Kelly signed a bill into law that will decriminalize fentanyl test strips. It's a topic KSHB investigator Cameron Taylor has been following closely.
Okay, so Cameron, when will this law go into effect?
July 1st, Caitlin and Kevin. That's when the test strips will no longer be considered drug paraphernalia. Now, I've stayed in touch with a family who pushed to legalize the test strips. They were at the bill signing today in Shawnee. They called today a great day and another step in battling the fentanyl crisis.
If fentanyl testing strips would have been available, it was a tool he could have used if he truly felt that that was his only option.
Libby Davis says fentanyl test strips may have saved her son's life. He died in August of 2021 after taking half of what he thought was a Percocet pill. It turned out to be fake, containing fentanyl.
Fentanyl does not discriminate. It truly can affect any family.
With the stroke of a pen Thursday, Kansas Governor Laura Kelly signed a bill to decriminalize fentanyl test strips, a tool that can detect the presence of fentanyl in a drug. Were you concerned this wouldn't make it to your desk?
Oh yeah, I was very concerned, because this isn't the first time we've tried to do this.
The bill to legalize the test strips ran into trouble in the Kansas Senate this session and last session. It took state lawmakers from opposite sides of the aisle coming together.
These issues that are so critical can be bipartisan issues that we can move forward together.
This is really an example of what happens when people set other things aside and say, let's do what's good for Kansans.
When the law goes into effect, places like the Johnson County Mental Health Center will have the test strips.
This is a game changer for the prevention, treatment, and recovery communities.
Kevin Kufelt is the director of addiction and residential services. He says the test strips will help battle the steady increase in cases he's seen involving fentanyl.
We're doing everything in our power to combat this epidemic.
For Davis, the governor signing the bill into law means bringing more attention to the fentanyl crisis, something she's made her mission after her son's death.
It doesn't mean that we're going to stop fighting, because those of us, especially those of us who have been directly impacted by illicit fentanyl, we're going to keep pushing. We're going to keep fighting.
Now, on top of legalizing fentanyl test strips, the bill also increases criminal penalties for manufacturing or distributing fentanyl. For the KSHB 41i team, I'm Cameron Taylor.